In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text bold in a LinkedIn post. If you've ever tried to emphasize a point on LinkedIn, you've probably noticed there isn't a built-in bold option in the post editor. That's totally normal. LinkedIn keeps formatting pretty simple. The good news is there's a quick workaround that looks great and takes just a minute. Start by opening a new LinkedIn post like you normally would and type out what you want to say. Keep in mind where you want emphasis, maybe your headline, a key statistic, or a call to action. Since LinkedIn doesn't let you bold text directly, we'll use a free online tool to generate bold characters that LinkedIn can display. Open your web browser and search for Yay Text. This site converts your text into styles that work across most social platforms, including LinkedIn. Once you're on the site, you'll see a text box. Type or paste the exact words you want to appear in bold. As soon as you enter your text, scroll down the page. You'll see multiple style options showing your text previewed in different looks. Find the one that's clearly bold and easy to read. Some styles look heavier or more decorative, but for professional posts, the straightforward bold option is usually best. When you found the bold version you like, click to copy it. Then head back to your LinkedIn post and paste it right where you want emphasis. You'll see your text appear in bold immediately. It's still just text, no images or special formatting, so it will behave like normal text when someone views it in their feed. If you want to get a bit more creative, you can experiment with other styles on the tool, like the black square effect or various bold italic looks. Just use them sparingly. While these styles can help headings stand out, too many different looks in one post can feel cluttered or reduce readability. Also remember that these stylized characters are based on Unicode, which most modern devices support. In rare cases, older systems or certain accessibility tools may read them differently. For important information, consider keeping a plain text version nearby or using stylized text only for short headings. That's it. Type your message, use the online tool to generate bold text, copy it, and paste it back into your post. It's quick, clean, and effective. Try bolding your headline or key takeaway to draw attention, and keep your formatting consistent so your post looks professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you make your LinkedIn posts clearer and more impactful.